Did you know there's a 40-year-old car that laughs at modern luxury vehicles breaking down? Meet the 1985 Mercedes 300D sitting in a driveway with 680,000 miles on it. Oh, hello there. Yes, it's me, your friendly neighborhood diesel Mercedes. While my shiny new cousins are having $15,000 breakdowns at 100,000 miles, I'm still chugging along like it's 1985. You want to know my secret? I'm built like a tank. Cast iron engine block, mechanical fuel injection, no fancy computers to have nervous breakdowns. My OM617 engine doesn't need therapy every 50,000 miles like these modern aluminum drama queens. My owner spends $800 a year keeping me happy. Meanwhile, Karen next door drops $4,500 on her 10-year-old luxury car that's already having an identity crisis. The irony? I cost less than a used Honda now, but I'll outlast 3 modern Mercedes. Sometimes being old school means being actually reliable. Who's laughing now, fancy pants?